Today, we are going to talk about games and biology. So, what are games? Games is an activity or sports that involve skills and knowledge in order to succeed. Games is a form of entertainment and a stress reliever. Believe me, it really took away all my stresses when I play games. So what are you waiting for? When you're stressed, just play games. Now, let's talk about game theory. Game theory is the study of strategic decision making where situations are called the games, the participants are called the players, and the action of the participants are called the moves. The consequences of the participants with their actions are called the payoffs. Every move of one player really affects all the players. There are many ways to use game theory. Here are some. Game theory can be used in economics, political science, psychology, and every day in our lives. For example, commuters deciding how to go to work, when businesses competing in a market, and when gamblers betting on a card game. To furthermore understand the concept about game theory, here is the best example, the prisoner's dilemma. Given the situation, two suspected felons caught by the police and interrogated in separate rooms. They were told, if both of them confesses, each of them will go to jail for 10 years. If only one of them confesses, the one who confessed gets only 1 year in jail, while the other one gets 25 years in jail. And if neither of them confesses, both of them only gets 3 years in jail. As I've said earlier, every move of one player affects the other player. In this situation, the two suspected felons are called the players, while the action they are about to take and the consequences they are about to face is the game they are about to play. To organize the given actions and given consequences, take a look at the payoff table. The goal of the game is not winning, but identifying one's optimal strategy. So in the given situations, what do you think is the optimal strategy? So why are we talking about game theory? What is the importance of game theory in our modern world? The importance of game theory is that it helps every individual to make optimal strategies, optimal decisions in their everyday lives. Now, let's give credits to the father of game theory, Lloyd S. Shapley. Without him, game theory will never exist. After talking about games, let's talk about biology. Biology is a branch of science that deals with living organisms and their vital processes. But we are not here to talk about science. We are here to talk about mathematical biology, also known as biomathematics. Mathematical biology is a branch of biology that uses mathematical models, analysis, and representations of living organisms to examine the systems that govern structure, development, and behavior of and within biological systems. So basically, it is the study of living organisms with numbers. Lastly, let's talk about the relationship of game theory and biology. Game theory in biology seeks to predict social behavior and other traits that influence how individuals interact with each other. It is important to talk about game theory in biology because it helps us to further understand living organisms. That is all for today. Thank you for listening.